Welcome back to Matt's Automotive Milestones. Please subscribe for more automotive history. We have a lot in store. The 1979 Oldsmobile Starfire Firenza V8 represents an intriguing chapter in the history of American automotive design. As part of the compact car market, it was a response to the changing demands of drivers and the overall automotive landscape during the late 1970s. The Starfire was originally launched in the early 1960s, but by the time the 1979 model rolled out, it had evolved significantly, blending performance with a touch of elegance. One of the standout features of the 1979 Starfire Firenza was its engine. The vehicle was powered by a robust V8 engine, which set it apart from many of its contemporaries. In an era when fuel economy was becoming increasingly crucial due to rising gas prices and new regulations, the inclusion of a V8 engine indicated a shift in Oldsmobile's strategy. This was a car that offered both power and the promise of a spirited driving experience. With its distinctive growl and responsive acceleration, the V8 made the Starfire feel lively on the road, appealing to those who craved performance without compromising on style. Aesthetically, the 1979 Starfire Firenza showcased the design trends of the late 70s. It featured smooth lines and a streamlined silhouette, characteristic of the era's automotive styling. The front end was adorned with a prominent grille and sharp headlights, giving the car a bold presence. Inside, the cabin was designed for comfort, with ample space and thoughtful touches that elevated the driving experience. The upholstery and dashboard design reflected a blend of practicality and sophistication, catering to the tastes of buyers looking for something more than just a means of transportation. However, the Starfire Firenza was not just about looks and power. It was also a vehicle that catered to the needs of everyday drivers. Equipped with a decent amount of trunk space and a comfortable interior layout, it was well suited for daily commutes as well as weekend getaways. The car appealed to a wide range of consumers, from young professionals to small families, who appreciated its versatility and performance. As the automotive market continued to evolve, the Starfire Firenza faced increasing competition from other compact cars. The rise of imported vehicles and growing consumer concern about fuel efficiency posed challenges for American manufacturers. Despite these hurdles, the 1979 Starfire Firenza V8 carved out its niche, representative of a time when muscle cars were beginning to transition into more practical vehicles without losing the essence of performance. It captured a moment in history when American car culture was at a crossroads, balancing power and practicality. Today, the 1979 Oldsmobile Starfire Firenza V8 is often remembered with a sense of nostalgia. For car enthusiasts and collectors, it represents a blend of classic American muscle and compact convenience. Its unique place in automotive history serves as a reminder of how manufacturers adapted to changing consumer demands while still trying to preserve the thrill of driving. In the end, the Starfire Firenza stands as a symbol of innovation during a time of significant change, making it a noteworthy piece of automotive heritage.